my socket wrench. Here's the bottom of a crutch. If you don't have a pipe, works perfectly. Slide this right into the handle. Slide her on and break it off. Slide this. I always like to keep an extra little containers in case this one will fill up. Should be good, but you never know. Wiping off my hands with the oil with paper towels and then taking my socket wrench and gonna tighten her back on. All right, she's nice and in there. I'm not gonna fasten it too tight because then it's gonna become impossible to take off again. But it's definitely on there, nice and snag. Now we're gonna need to get our oil filter. That is gonna be right here. Let's see. If you're unsure of where your oil filter is, in your owner manual, inside your glove box. Alright.
Use this like it's kind of...
Yeah. And just thoroughly scrub her. That's all I needed. Thank you, John.
Yeah, well, you need any help right now?
Nope.
Okay.
So, yep, got like no oil in there right now. If I started my car, I'd be f***ed. That is where we will put our oil. Gotta put this right back on there. I want it nice and snag on there, so I'm just gonna do that. Oh yeah! Nice.